Those dreamy Ghibli-style AI images flooding social media. They are beautiful, they are fun, and they seem to be melting GPUs. But what if I told you that there might be a hidden cause behind this viral technology? Let's break it down. Hi, my name is Shrishti Bisht and you're watching Zee Business. When OpenAI launched its latest AI image tool, the internet went crazy. So crazy that OpenAI CEO Sam Altman had to step in, saying, "Our GPUs are melting," even pleaded, "Can you all please chill on generating images?" But what does this mean beyond overloaded servers? A Goldman Sachs report states that a ChatGPT query consumes nearly 10 times the electricity of a Google search. AI-generated images use a surprising amount of energy. Research by Hugging Face and Carnegie Mellon University shows that OpenAI image can consume up to 0.01149 kilowatt-hour, over half the power of fully charging your smartphone. And in extreme cases, possibly more. And that's just one image. Imagine millions. AI data centers require vast amounts of electricity and water. Microsoft used nearly 700,000 liters of water just to cool down servers while training GPT-3. To put that into perspective, that's enough to produce over 320 Teslas. A massive data center needs a lot of water, and not just for setup, but also to prevent the machines from overheating once it starts running. Now consider AI-powered systems expanding at such a pace that they could soon use 6 times more water than the entire country of Denmark, home to 6 million people. The real concern? While AI demands more water, a quarter of world's population still struggles to access clean drinking water and basic sanitation. Beyond power and water, AI also contributes to electronic waste. The microchips powering these AI models rely on rare earth elements extracted through environmentally damaging mining practices. Research shows that for every 2 kg of computer components, near 800 kg of raw material are consumed. However, AI isn't just an environmental burden. It's also being used to fight climate change. The United Nations Environment Programme uses AI to track methane gas leaks, while industry employ AI-driven solutions to optimize energy consumption and reduce waste. Tech companies are now exploring greener alternatives, including renewable energy powered data centers and more energy efficient AI models. But at least for now, every AI generated image, no matter how stunning or impactful, comes with an unseen cost. And yes, we have to live with it. For more such videos, follow Zee Business.